so confused. Why am I here? This is confusing. Why am I here? Ooh, what's in this box? Oh, it's down here. Oh, let me disappear.
What about you? You gonna do something funny?
Oh, that's the floor. I found the floor. Wow, this floor's really interesting. The floor's amazing. Oh, what's in the washing machine? Oh, let me do some washing. Where's Peg? Oh, she's down there. She's hiding me with paws.
I'm staying here. I don't like it.
Hey, boo-boos! Here's your new house.
Look, I don't care anymore. I'm exploring.
Here's your new house, babies.
It's gonna disappear down the back, and he's just gonna.
Right, they need to be put in the thingy in the bedroom, or are you going to leave them in here?
No, and they need to go in the bedroom.
Because otherwise you're going to end up with them running out the door.
No, they need to go in the bedroom.
Okay.
I've told her that they're in here now. Obviously I can't let them out until I know that they're okay.
And she's okay with that?
Yeah, she's fine. She said she's basically, I've got until the end of January as a trial for having all of them. She said if they get complaints from the neighbours about them pooing in the gardens and stuff like that, then two of them have to go. So, yeah.
Where's the cat? He's behind the TV.
Yeah, see now I've got a TV there, see? I don't really need them.
I need to bring yours. See how Pegasus.
Right.
Right, get cats in.
Right, cat's in the bedroom and let's go.
3 of them will be easy to get in, it's how you're going to have a problem with. Right, boys, girls, in you go.
What's in here? I need to leave them a drink, really, don't I?
What's in here?
Yeah, some drink and
What's in
food.
here? Come on. We've got to go in the bedroom now. No. In the bedroom. No. In the bedroom. Oh, we just shut in boxes. No, in the bedroom.
Are you sure?
Peggy, where are you?
Wait, I think Pegasus in there.
No, she's not.
Big Master Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Rate, comment, subscribe, out.